Alright, the video, everybody, including myself, the video for the Superjet and the new engine, and I've already got the first tank through it, so now it's pretty much, I'm going to show y'all a little bit of me, the first part breaking it in, but then the second tank of me actually being able to get into it a little bit. There's still really not a whole lot going on the lake, so it's still a little, in my opinion, boring of a video, but I mean, hey, everybody wants to see it, so I'm gonna throw a video of a couple little things that I'm gonna do prior to the riding and all that. And so yeah, stick around, check it out, and we got more riding videos. And if you can't tell, I've been modifying some things on this, so. Alright, we're gonna get this little hour meter installed on the engine now that we've got it running. Kind of keep up with how many we have on it, but I'm gonna wrap it onto plug wire right there, and I'm probably going to do some double-sided tape somewhere right in here, maybe on the top right there. Not sure, I think that's where I'm gonna put it, so let's get this installed. Alright, so this is where I've located it right here. Just use some double-sided tape, run the wire through the little slot that it shows, and then I kind of just coiled it up here with a zip tie. Probably gonna do something with that different, but then ran it up and then wrapped it around right here about 5 times, and then zip tied it underneath so you can't really see all that, but works pretty good. All right, it's gonna be the first ride, seeing how the motor does. I fired it up on the trailer and give her a try. The Superjet's on the water. Alright, I got the full tank already through it. I'm on now on my second tank so I can start getting on it some. Mid-range from this setup from my last setup, so that's what it feels like to me. 2 tanks of gas run through it now. I have no complaints. This thing rips. It still has the same bottom end punch and all that, but I feel like I gained more mid-range with this setup and the porting and polishing and all that. But it very, very impressed with it. It rips. I think I got like 3.5 hours on it since the build, or since the engine put in here, so very impressed. The power could definitely make you feel like you're better than you are. I mean, like, trying to think back from the motor that was in it originally to now, like, with more power comes, you know, better handling. I mean, everything. Like, you start to fall over, you can kind of romp into it, and it'll pull back on out and keep going. So I would say I would definitely start trying to mod them, add more power and all that, because it definitely makes the ride better and more fun. I mean, like, it definitely adds to the excitement of riding and all that. As far as I have a lot of questions because of the way it sounds, the TDR water box is wickedly loud. Like, it sounds pretty damn cool, but if you're in a lake where people have issues with, like, you know, just being noisy and all that, I probably wouldn't go with this setup because it's definitely loud. It screams up and down the water. So, but thanks for watching, and see if I can start getting some more ride videos and all that of this, and we'll start on the X2 eventually, getting some more stuff done to it. Definitely got to work on the steering and all that kind of fun stuff, but that's it. She's done and ripping and all that, so now for the fun part, the riding it and getting with the group. So we'll see y'all in the next video.
Trust a motherfucker named Chris, because if crisscross applesauce, what the fuck do you think he's gonna do to you?